Hey guys, welcome back to ROBOSTOUT. My name's Darren, and today we are going to talk a little bit about this really cool gaming mouse that I grabbed. This is from Razer, and it's their Star Wars Special Edition. And we're gonna do a review in two. That's right, we're gonna do a review on this in 2 minutes, right after this. So very cool. I've been holding on to this for a few weeks now. I've been playing around with it. I'm not a huge gamer, but I do play a little bit. So I definitely want to make sure I have everything, that looks pretty cool on here. So let's kind of look at the inside of this and see what we got to work with. So this is a Bluetooth system, but also does 2.4 gigahertz. So if you want to do either frequency, so if you got a dongle or if you just want to do directly Bluetooth, you can do that too. This has got 350 hours of continuous use on the pair of AA's that you get with it. This has 2700 DPI optical sensor. I've noticed that it's very smooth. I don't see a lot of lag on this, so actually very cool from here. I use the built-in Bluetooth side mostly for my AirPad that I use here. This is the newer one. It works great on there. It's smooth. It connects very easily. I'm very happy with that. And of course I go back and forth to my laptop too. The best part about it is Star Wars themed. So I've got a Stormtrooper on here. I love it, I love it. It's very sleek design. It's very simple to use. All the buttons click very nice and neat on there. So that is my 2-minute review on this very cool Star Wars edition by Razer. I'll put it down in the description below where I grabbed it. I got it on a great deal during Prime Day. I think I got it for like under 39 bucks. It was a smoking deal. I had to jump on it. I don't know what the price is, obviously, as this video has been made, but I'll put it down here from Amazon. Hopefully you can pick one up. Definitely worth it. If you're kind of an average user on gaming and stuff, it works great. If you're looking to do like, hey, I'm super gamer, you might want to look at some of the higher end models they have through Razer. Like always, guys, subscribe when you have a chance. Enjoy some videos I'm going to show you, and I will see you guys on the flip side. Peace.